Good afternoon, gang. This is Tom here, and I'm gonna put in a baffle on these speakers that I put in my engines because the sound isn't coming in good. And thanks to Jason, the train freak, he found this um, file on Thingiverse, I think, and so I printed them today, and they came out really good. And that's a baffle, and these are the speakers that I put in my engines. They're a Soundtraxx speaker. It's part number 810113. They're 35 by 16 millimeter oval speaker, and they go up to 2 watts. And this here, this fits right in there, just like so. So this, it'll snap right in there. And then there's 2 holes here for the wire to come through. So I'm going to do that in this engine that I got on the workbench here, and that's that guy over there. And I'm going to turn on the sound now, and you see how low it is. Let's sound the horn. Barely hear it in the bell. So what I'm going to do is take it apart and put that baffle in, and then I'll be back once I get it done. And then we'll see if there's any sound difference. See you in a little while. Okay guys, I got the cover off and I put the baffle on, and that's what it looks like. And the speaker sits in there. I soldered the wires on, and I'm going to put the lid back on, and then we'll see what it sounds like. So I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, all back together. Now let's turn on the system, and see how it sounds. Here goes the horn. Wow, is that much better? Now we can hear the bell. Headlight comes on. Still. Going reverse. Lights on. So I got it all back together good. So the baffles really do a good job. So if anybody needs any baffles when they put in speakers, let me know. I'll be glad to print some for you and send them to you. And again, thanks to Jason, the train freak, for sending me the STL file for this. And I really appreciate that. And that makes it really good. Now I got one more engine to do. And this one over here, this Rock Island F7A, I'm waiting for the decoder to come. And I already put the baffle in there, so I'm ready for it with the speaker when I get to it, because that has a Tasami 2 decoder also. So that's it, folks. That's how I do my baffles, and what a difference in the sound. So we'll see you all in the next video, and have a great day.